Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by turning Assistivetouch on so the floating menu appears. Open Settings, go to Accessibility, then Touch and choose Assistivetouch. Toggle it on. Once done, tap Customize Top-Level Menu to add or replace buttons. This saves time later. Make sure to pick the actions you need most, like Home, Control Center, or Custom Gestures, because those choices determine how quickly you complete tasks with one tap. Now customize controls and gestures so Assistivetouch matches how you work. Tap single tap, double tap, or long press to assign shortcuts. This makes common actions one comfortable motion. If you need multi-finger swipes, create and record a custom gesture. Press record, perform the gesture, then save. Also add Assistivetouch to Control Center for fast enabling or disabling. By tailoring these options, you reduce taps and avoid repetitive strain. When you use finish by learning how to use and refine Assistivetouch in real situations. Drag the floating button to any screen edge so it doesn't block important content. Tap it to access your saved actions. If a custom gesture feels off, edit or re-record it and reassign buttons as needed. If Assistivetouch won't enable, restart your iPad and make sure iPad OS is up to date. That fix solves most glitches. If problems persist, reset.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.